Hello, my dear viewers and my dear friends. Welcome to my channel Faith Cooks. Today I am sharing with you the recipe of the chicken dum biryani. Here is the 1 kg chicken, rice. I have taken 3 cups of rice and the water, 3 chopped peeled tomatoes, 1 big bowl of sliced and golden fried onions, 1 bowl of yogurt or the curd, ghee, clarified ghee, pure ghee which we call, 4 slit green chilies, green coriander, ginger paste 1 spoon, garlic paste 1 spoon, lemon juice, half lemon juice, coriander powder, turmeric powder, red chilli powder, garam masala powder, salt to taste, and this is the food color which I have mixed in the water. You can take saffron as well. These are the sabut khada garam masalas, bay leaves, black pepper whole, dalchini, cinnamon stick small, and the big cardamom. And then we will marinate this chicken with the yogurt and with the garlic ginger paste, salt and lemon juice. We will marinate this chicken for half hour to 1 hour. Here I am adding 3 to 4 spoons of yogurt. Here comes the garlic paste, 1 big teaspoon. This big teaspoon I have taken. Here comes the ginger paste, again 1 spoon, the lemon juice, half lemon juice, and then I am taking the salt to taste. Little salt, say half teaspoon as per your taste. I will mix it well. Here I have mixed the masalas properly, garlic ginger paste, salt and lemon juice inside it and yogurt, and now we are keeping it for another 1 hour. If you don't have time, better, but all the things will be infused in it and the taste will be delightful. So now I am boiling. In the meanwhile, as it has been marinated, and I am boiling half vessel water, half vessel water I am boiling. I will put the rice, little ghee and the whole garam masalas into it. I am putting the green chilies also inside the chicken. Water will boil soon. I am adding the salt in it, half a spoon, the bay leaf and the whole garam masala. Now it will come to boil. I will add little ghee also. And that's it. Here I have taken 1 small bowl of cashews and almonds. So I have chopped them, and some are whole and some I have chopped. Now the water is coming up to the boil. I will add the rice now. So here I have put the rice, and they will come to boil. I have taken the half vessel of the half water in the vessel, and then I have put 3 cups of rice. Basmati rice, you have to take kachi basmati rice, which we call in Hindi the basmati rice you have to take for the biryani. Rice are coming to boil, and look, but they are not done yet. Some people cook like that in dum biryani. They will take the rice half boiled, but I am using because due to lack of time I am full boiling them, and you can use half boiled also. And then before cooking the chicken, and if you put the atta layer on the side as in dum biryani, but I have no time, but I will completely close the lid of the biryani when I will put the layering. So it will be like dum. Dum means you have to cook the anything into the steam. So it is called the dum biryani or chicken or mutton. So it's coming to boil and it's getting ready. I will stain the water. मैं पानी को फेंक दूंगी और चावल को छान लूंगी. Look at the rice, they are completely done now. They are boiled, and look at the water also became white. So now I will stain them. Here are the stained rice. Look at the color and the texture. I am putting on the gas for just look at the texture and the color. They are separated, they are not joined together. So little I am putting on gas. Here in another vessel I have taken the 2 spoon to 3 spoons of oil, and now I will put chicken, the marinated chicken. I will put this marinated chicken. Look, after 1 hour it has released its water, and now I will add. Here I have added the chicken. I'll stir it, and I will put the masalas into it. So here I am adding half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, half a spoon of black pepper powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, half teaspoon, 1/4 spoon of red chili powder, and 1 teaspoon of garam masala powder, and I will stir it. After mixing it looks like this. I will add the little salt to taste, because we added in the marination little salt we am using. I am putting the brown fried onion slice which we did, and then I am putting the tomatoes as well, and then again I will stir and mix it properly. Note viewers, after mixing it looks like this, and I will cover it and I will cook till the chicken is fully cooked. Note, I am not adding extra water, because the yogurt which curd I have mixed, it will release its water. जो मैंने दही डाली थी वो अपना पानी रिलीज कर देगी. So I am covering it for another 15-20 minutes. In the middle I will check, and then it will be done. I will remove the lid and I will check the amount of water. Look viewers, the amount of water into it, it has released its own water. I will stir it, and again I will check whether chicken is boiled. Again I am covering it. Viewers, as you can see that chicken is almost done. The color is also coming up, and I am mixing it properly. Let this little water be dried up, and this layer of the oil should come up, and then I will switch off the gas. Look at the golden color, and the oil has come full. Now it's done, because little we want the gravy in this dum biryani. So I am switching off the gas. Now I will do the layering. So here is the gravy ready and the chicken ready for the dum biryani. Those rice which I prepared for the dum, I am putting a full layer of the rice. We will not press them. हम दबाएंगे नहीं राइस को, सिर्फ इसको पूरे चिकन को हम कवर कर देंगे. पूरे चिकन को कॉर्नर्स तक कवर करेंगे. So here I have put the layer of the rice, and see I have covered all the corners of the vessel. Now I am pouring 1 to 2 spoons of ghee, pure clarified ghee, desi ghee which we call, in the center and in the corners everywhere. And I am also putting some cashews and the almonds all over, scattering here in the middle. And also I am putting the green coriander leaves, and again I will top it with the rice. Little I am putting the food color in the center, little, and now again I am adding the rice on top of it. Again on top I am putting the 2 to 3 spoons of clarified ghee, original but ghee, desi ghee, and putting the green coriander again, these nuts, and the fried onions. Here I am putting this onion, I am scattering the onion to every part with the melted ghee. See, the ghee is melting. Again I will put this color in the middle, drop by drop sides, little on the sides, and I will put little this on 2 to 3 minutes on dum. Means little I will switch on the gas and then let it mix. The flavor should come and the ghee should melt into the rice. So 3 to 5 minutes I will keep on very sim gas. You can put the tawa also in the base and you can heat it. Now I am covering it and I will put on the sim gas. Here I am opening the lid. See, the ghee has melted and now we will dish it out. So here is the chicken dum biryani ready to serve. I have served with the raita or the lasuni raita, the garlic raita also, or any condiments, or with the chicken curry, mutton curry, whatever you want to eat, or you can eat with the curd. It's ready to serve, and look at the texture and look at the color, and it's very delicious and mouth watering recipe. Viewers, if you like my recipe, please like and subscribe my YouTube channel Faith Cooks. Thank you.